Welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Pfizer. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. I really apologize for keeping you all wait for so many days as I was really very busy with my son's exams. I hope today you will definitely enjoy this recipe. This is Malai Kebab and it's really delicious recipe, and also with very few ingredients you can just prepare this. So today I'm going to teach you how to make Chicken Malai Kebab, or call it as Murgh Kebab, Murgh Malai Kabab. There are so many names for the same thing. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl I've taken around 500 grams of boneless chicken. Into this I'm going to add around 1.5 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon ginger paste. I'm going to mix this well. Ginger garlic paste acts as a tenderizer. Let this marinate for half an hour. That's 30 minutes. Now in a bowl I'm going to add 2 cheese cubes. You can take any processed cheese, and you have to just take only 2 chips and you have to add that. Now I'm going to mash this nicely. Since my cheese is very soft, it's getting mashed. If you want, you can also grate the cheese as well. So this is done. Into this cheese mixture, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon hung curd. I have already kept the curd. I've strained it, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of it. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Half teaspoon cardamom powder. Half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Now I'm going to mix this nicely. So this is done. We'll keep this aside. It's half an hour now and our chicken marination is ready. So into this I'm going to add the cheese mixture. Let's coat this well. So into this I'm going to add around 100 grams of fresh cream. Salt as required. Now let's mix this well. As this is Malai Kebab, it's incomplete without the malai, that's the cream. So at this point, if you want it to be a bit spicy, you can just add some more black pepper. Now at this point I'm going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Let's mix this well. This is just for the color and little flavor of coriander, that's it. So our marination is ready. Now I'm going to take a skewer which I had soaked for half an hour in water. Now I'm going to take the kebabs and I'm going to prick it inside this. Around 3 to 4 kebabs in one skewer. It depends upon the size of your skewer. these pieces are a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put only 3 pieces in this. So our kebabs are ready. Now let's fry them. If you want, you can also bake them. I've kept my pan on high flame. Once it gets heated, I'm going to reduce the flame. The pan is hot now. I'm going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. That's it. The oil has heated. Now I'm going to put my kebab in the pan. I'm going to fry each side for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm frying this on medium flame. If you want, you can also bake the kebabs in your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 40 minutes. It's almost 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and my kebabs are done. Now I'm going to transfer it into a plate. So let's do the plating. Into my serving plate, I have added some salad in this, cucumber and carrot juliennes. And now I'm going to place my skewers, Malai Kebab. Some onion rings. So my kebabs are done. Now lastly what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some fresh cream and I'm just going to brush it on top of the Malai Kebab. So the Malai Kebab is ready to be served. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and do hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my recipes. I really hope you're also excited about sharing the move with others too, and continue to give me your support.